Hi, let's build the power indication circuit, which will remain common for all our further projects. Let's draw the components in Tinkercad, mentioned in the circuit diagram. We will draw the USB standard A connector, LED, red, and resistor of value 1 kilo ohms. We will connect as follows. The positive of the USB to the terminal 2 of the resistor. For this positive line, we shall select the wire color red, terminal 1 of the resistor to the anode of the LED. Cathode of the LED to the ground of the USB connector. For this is negative line or ground, we shall select the wire color black. We have now completed the circuit. Let's start the simulation. Glowing red LED indicates the circuit is powered, which also means that the circuit is closed. The circuit is open when the red LED does not glow. This circuit is applied in every electronic device for the indication of power. You can now build your own circuit, download the image file and submit the assignment. Have fun! Cheers! Circuit explanation. In electronics, when the current flows from the positive of the power supply and reaches the ground, negative, through other components, the path is completed and it is called a closed circuit. On the other hand, if there is an interruption in the current flow between positive and negative, the path is incomplete and so it is referred to as an open circuit. In this project, USB is used as a DC power source, which provides plus 5 volt DC power and is connected in series with the resistor 1 kilo ohms and red LED. When the circuit is powered, current flows from the plus 5 volt terminal of the USB to the resistor 1 kilo ohms to the red LED and reaches the ground negative terminal of the USB, forming a closed circuit. When the current flows in the closed circuit, the red LED glows, indicating that the circuit is powered and vice versa. This circuit is used as a power indicator circuit for all the remaining projects. Resistors are used to limit the current in the LEDs to protect them from getting damaged.